your turn.
Hello. All right. Let's see what we got. We're just getting the shirt, right?
Yeah. Stand up there.
Do you want the tag cut off?
Yeah. You want to go to that cat?
All right. Did you have an email? Did you have an email with us? Perfect. All right, $7.54. Are you paying with your own money? Oh my gosh, that's very exciting.
Get your receipt, your change, and Rexy.
All right, kiddo, 46 cents is gonna be your change.
Then, okay, and then
And
that's
I'm gonna
it.
get your receipt. All right, you are all set, my friend. Of course. Have a good day, guys.
How is it? Good? It's more cute with shirt. Oh.
Who's smarter than a light and get this?
Oh, another ball, another ball. Another one, another one. Hey. Okay, that's done. Oh, get the card. Get your card. Okay, let's go. Oh, no, wait.
It's a card!
This. The shark, the big shark.
He's a bad guy. He's a tough guy.
How did you know he's a bad guy? Okay, let's go.
Ubarin mo na kaya yung medyas,
Ano kaya siya,
anak.
gumapang-gapang kaya siya dun sa ano.
Ubarin mo na kaya yung medyas, anak.
Go.
So things might be a little, yeah.
How can I do it? Ooh, nice. It's a nice one.
For this time.
Hey, close it.
Ito yung tama ba? Tama.
Ay, papa, yung chicken wings mo, yung sauce mo.
Can I order? Mommy,
Yeah.
mommy,
Yes, my love.
you do this.
I was trying to nap, Eshe. The all-important nap of kings. Only to be
Ano kaya i-order kasi baka. Pero you can try every. Akala ko ano.
Ito.
I didn't think this is pee on her Lamborghini and fight on her Lamborghini.
Cheese. Paano ka masarap na? Ako nakalimutan ko.
Thank you.
No, I'm not there.
Thanks, Dave.
Thank you. No, I'm good. Thank you.
No for him. Oh, that's lamb.
No more. Thank you.
Just a slice.
Ano ka tayo masarap?
Thank you.
I'll have one slice also. Great.
What's that? What's that?
Big client.
What?
Big client, top sirloin.
Ikana?
Yes.
Ikana.
Top sirloin.
Top sirloin.
Don't like it?
Ano, one slice only.
Because the rice can be
Manipis na raw.
Oh, it's already thin. Oh, this one.
Ayan yung gitna para well done.
That's good. Thank you.
Ano yung ang lambda?
good?
Yeah.
Oh, now?
Yan, garlic sir.
I'll have one also.
Kaya pag ganyan kukuha pa rin.
Thank you.
Ano yan? Naka-melt cheese?
You love steak also?
Yeah, I'm a mosasaurus.
Happy birthday to you.
No, sir, it's you. It's you.
Make a wish,
It's you,
anak.
Pan.
Make a wish, Tiffany.
Favorite thing
Pupu.
to do at an amusement park or state.
Right.
Riding
roller coaster.
Riding roller coaster.
Rides? Ah? Ano sa?
Go to the right.
Sabi ko nga, red roller coaster.
Go to the bathroom.
Go to the bathroom.
Listen up, listen up.
Listen up, oh, listen up.
Who do I call most often on the phone?
Mama! Nawala si Papa. Papa, mo.
Okay, here.
Okay, listen up.
Ardina. What was my favorite part of the day so far?
This game.
Grabe, guys.
Lukot na pala, Edward. Yung dance, oh.
Pwede pala talaga mag-apply si EJ.
Oh, pero talaga mag-apply yan. Adonis.
Tatapusin daw yung contest.
What would I buy first if I won the lottery?
House.
A house.
Oh, nag-house rin
Yeah,
ako.
that's...
Ate Tiffany.
Sabi ko,
Ano na naman ako narinig?
Ano na si Tiffany, hindi pa tapos yung ano.
Ako na pa.
Baka siniisip niya kung ano. Ito. Where is my favorite place to go?
Wherever Mama
Go
is!
for fun.
For fun?
For fun?
Restaurant. Cinema.
That's your... Wait, no.
That's very.
For fun?
For fun.
Disneyland. Universal.
Restaurant?
Night shift.
Church. Church.
Home!
For fun.
For
Church.
fun?
For fun. Kids?
fun.
At the park.
Hindi.
Take in the park.
Baka hindi mo alam yung sagot pa. Alam mo na.
Beach?
Hindi. For
Go to
fun.
the
Mall.
play.
For fun.
Arcade.
Oh, tama.
Arcade.
Ayun ang nasa isip niya, arcade. Ganun eh.
Una pa.
You look like...
Challenge trivia.
Makinig. This is a challenge, okay?
Challenge.
Okay. Do a dance move.
Oh!
The person after you copies your move. Then adds another. Clap ako. Gagayahin ni Kuya, clap, left. Ganyan. Tapos gagayahin mo, clap, left.
Tapos mag-a-adapt
Ah,
ka.
ganyan. Tapos gagayahin mo. Magdadagdag siya.
Wala kami mag-bending, baka may mag-bending.
Yung mga kaya na nakaupo, ha? Walang...
Tapos pag hindi na napalo, talo yun.
Di na ako sasali para ma-video ko.
Is starting from left, clap, clap. O, Kuya. Clap, clap. Okay. O pa. Ganun. Wait with tongue. Okay, ma. Clap, clap.
Jiggle.
Jiggle. O, Papa. Left.
Out.
Wala pa. Yung kay Kuya.
Okay. Pangatlo. Ano yung pangatlo?
Ano yung pangatlo? Yung ginawa ko.
Ano?
Pag nagkamali ba, ulit?
Out.
Out.
Clap.
Mali, sa right and start.
Ano ba? Left.
Sa left muna, oo, left.
Okay. Ano yung ginawa niya?
Go, walang clue. Clap, clap. Okay.
Tapos,
Jiggle. Out.
okay, good.
Ang
Ano yung mo?
Oh, God.
To the right, to the left.
To the left.
Clap.
Hindi, yan.
Okay.
Hindi alam ni Bakit.
Yan na, oh, tama siya.
Out, in.
Dawa na left na. Oh, mali. Right yung ginawa. Left.
Hindi na nakita, nagbago ka bigla.
Oo. Sige, okay na yun. Basta
Okay na yun,
gaganon.
hindi.
Basta gaganon. Ano idadagdag mo?
Okay.
Oh, di ba?
Go big.
Tatandaan mo lang eh. Oh.
Left, clap. Tapos,
Jiggle.
okay.
Tapos,
Out, in. Okay.
Okay.
then,
Tapos, ano yung add mo?
tapos
May
ang
add ka.
i-add
Idadagdag
ko,
mo.
oh yeah, just like that.
Biglang gumanong si Tiffany.
Mag-perform pala.
Step to the left, step to the right.
May sumba na eh, no?
And split.
Case, your turn,
Oh, your
case.
turn. Oh, did you pay attention?
Okay, go. Stop.
Clap,
Clap, clap. Okay.
And then,
Heart.
that.
Hard. And then,
Jiggle, jiggle.
and
And
then,
then,
out.
in, out.
Very good.
Point to the, yeah.
And then,
Shake forward, shake backwards.
and then,
Sa anong
And
gusto mo
then-
ibenta?
and then like that.
Roll.
Roll.
And then
And then
add
add what you
Add
want.
what you
What
want.
step what you want.
Dancing in the dance
It's up to you.
floor.
Okay, clap, clap. Jiggle. Out, in, point. Shake, shake. Roll.
Ano lalagay mo?
Ano lang, pagkaganda to, ha? Ah, ganito dapat.
Ayun, nandun ang last.
Oh,
mali.
Jiggle dapat, mama. Oh, go, go, go. Clap,
Clap, clap.
Okay.
Jiggle.
Do like this way.
In, out. Like this.
Mm.
And then,
Wait,
No.
Ano pa? Idadagdag mo? Okay.
Oh no! I don't like this.
got.
Clap,
No coaching.
Ako, EJ ah. Yun yung mga step mo ah.
Wala na yan. Kasi ang tagal na eh.
Sige, kaya niya pa. May chance pa. Kung nagkamali siya ng next move.
Pag nagkamali.
Tapos,
Mali.
ano daw?
Tama, chicken.
Nagkakahanap pareho kayo sa kanila eh. Hindi, yung sa kanila. Ayun sa kanila.
Okay, after that, yeah, okay.
Okay.
Tapos, ay yung ano, yan.
Okay.
Tapos, ano?
Ano coaching?
Ah, okay.
Wala na.
Relax, relax.
Ayoko na, ayoko.
Ayun lang.
Pinahirapan yun ang pinahirapan eh. Dito pinahirapan.
Okay, everyone, if you don't do the move. Yeah.
Jiggle. In, out. Okay. There.
Wait lang, parang may kulang.
Hindi, tama. Okay, tama.
Roll.
Yung ganun.
Oo. You forgot.
Yeah, you
You missed
forgot.
it.
You missed
Out.
it.
Oh, Ate Tiffany. Oh my God. Oh my
Ako
God.
nakalimutan ko na lang.
Ano lang?
Try lang, try lang.
Clap.
Huwag mo pa abutin na sa twerk.
Ano ba yan?
Clap,
Clap.
Bruh.
Okay.
Tapos,
Jiggle.
jiggle.
In, out.
Point.
Tapos, yung kay Joaquin. Yung sa akin, yung kay Kiss. Tapos yung kay Easy.
Aha.
Wala na ginalalang kay Kuya.
Hindi, out na si Kuya eh.
Oh, after
Yung dinagdag ko.
After yun,
Ay,
dinagdag.
dinagdag
Flip
ko.
hair. Wait a minute, hindi pa siya tapos. Flip hair.
Tapos,
Oh, so ano na yun next? Yung akin.
ayan lang.
Abot ka ron. Oh, go.
Saan? At
From the drop. Dapat na dinagdag mo, Ate Tiffany.
Ano yung dadagdag mo?
Ano yung
ano yung dadagdag ko? Ano na lang. Di ba ganon? Ganon na lang.
Case, go. Case, go.
Oh, okay.
Wait.
Out na, out.
You're out.
You're out
My turn.
also.
Clap, clap.
Ay, hindi ko na kaya to.
No, wrong! Jiggle, jiggle!
Oh,
Wala na. Out na.
Tama na.
Clap, clap. Wiggle. In, out.
No! You
Okay.
Oh, wait. Yeah, sorry.
Joaquin. Tiffany. Okay.
Bruh! Yeah. Bruh.
Easy. Ako. Oh my God.
Tama.
Nicole.
Si EJ.
EJ. Twerk, twerk. Twerk, twerk. And
Nauntog sa lamay.
flip, anong tawag na headbang.
Paano nagdag mo na?
Headbang, and then
Patay.
Parang tayo ni Adrian.
How can you do it?
Yan. Tapos,
In, out.
tapos, tapos,
Biglang may effort pag yung step ka.
dancer yung step na yun.
Ako lang sa lola, lolo, ninong.
Yeah, I'm out too.
Tapos,
Nasa kayo please na.
tapos, ano na? Tapos, ayun. Tapos,
Sige na, si Jimmy pa na.
manalo pa kayo.
ayoko na ako, out na ako.
Okay, sorry.
Hindi ko na kayang gawin.
28 ka in 5 seconds.
Oh, pagalingan ng 8-8 si Papa. From oldest to youngest nga eh.
Okay.
Back pain.
Baka hindi na bumalik yung ano sa bahay mo.
Okay.
Ilan?
Wala, kahit ilan. Basta ako naman mag-judge kung sino
Kung
okay.
ma-enjoy mo siya, edi tuloy ka
Tama na. Hindi ako.
Ma.
Ayusin mo ako.
Ayaw mo sa kanila yung tuhod niya, eh.
Malaki sa tubo, sakit mo sa bewang.
Upo ka na pa, upo ka na. Mama.
8.
Wow, makakarinig mo.
Yung magaling. Competition to competition.
Mag-split ka.
Ano ba yung 8-8 mo?
8 yung likod ng
Parang bakit?
Kantahan nyo kasi ng 8-8. Oh, ayan o, may kanta na.
Yung likod lang yun.
Yan, ganyan. 8. Okay, next. Kaya kayo siya.
Oh, ayan na, oh my God, OMG.
Galing. Okay, next. Next, sumakit yung ano ko dun. Next.
Hindi, si Ate Tiffany. By age.
Sige, tama na.
Case.
May ulo pa.
Oh, Joaquin.
Tama na. Ikay na yan.
Oh, the winner.
Ang nanalo ay si...
Hey!
Uncle Edward and Lola. So you choose
Lola!
Who will you give your card?
Lola or Uncle Edward?
Lola or Uncle Edward?
Uncle Edward yan.
Yay! Ilang ka na, anak?
13.
13, 14. Ilang ka, Nicole?